So now we have a chain fitted, and we have the back brake and the front brake all sorted, and they're working okay. So the only thing left to do is attach the friction shifters to the derailleurs and then make adjustments. And obviously I know that making adjustments can be a fairly big stage, and there may well be things that are needing replaced which I haven't realised because I haven't ridden it yet. So let's see. Oh, and this was $7.99, a full set of brake and gear cables in and out, or with the ferrules and the end caps, and also little things to stop it banging off the frame. Really good, $7.99 from Amazon, and it seems to be good quality. So that's the bike, mostly ready. I just change the chain and the cables really, change the stem and the handlebars, and put on these friction shifters and a bit of tinkering, and that was really it. Amazing. So I took the bike to work and back yesterday, and it's pretty much working alright. Just doing some fine tuning on the rear and front derailleur to make sure the tension's right and that it goes into all the cogs and chain rings. So also there seems to be a slight issue. The wheels are relatively true, but I don't know if the tyres aren't quite seated right. They're kind of wobbly, but the rims are true enough. So I'm going to look at that. I also think there's quite narrow clearance between the front derailleur and the tyre when it's in the small chain ring, so that might need I think slightly narrow tyres would be better. Anyway, this is Glasgow green, and you can see it's autumn, it looks very nice, and just down there is the River Clyde. That's quite something. Actually, I had a bit of luck today because I had when I was cycling home yesterday from work, one of the pedals came loose. I think I probably hadn't tightened it right, which was just my mistake, and I was using my park tool, but this bit had fallen off. Now I heard the noise, but I didn't think of it, what it was, and when I got home I checked and it was gone, and then I realised, but I was busy last night, so I went back to the spot, which is a busy street in the south side of Glasgow near a bus stop. I thought there's no way it'll still be there, but sure enough it was right there, right next to a woman who I had to explain what I was doing to, so it looked a bit weird. Anyway, there's the bike, it's looking good, and then hopefully once I've done a few rides on it, my wife can have it and I'll know that it will be safe and she won't get injured. But there's a really cool pub up there, but I'm trying to not give in to temptation. Plus I don't have a lock.